will just start by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and we're currently just conducting a few interviews with our traders to find out about their trading journey and how they got to the place they are today within the industry. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and explain how you got into trading and started your journey.
Okay, so firstly, my name is Ashir Adam, popularly known as AshFX, a trader for a long period of time. Then I am trading with one of the best Forex trading company here in Nigeria. So the company approved me as a data trader analyst of the company. So here is my office. As you can see, this is my trading screens. So firstly, I start trading since 2016, early. So for that time, I'm a beginner, but I started studying how to trade the market physically, and I start trading technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So for now, I'm a trader for, let's say, 5 to 6 years in the Forex market.
Great, that sounds amazing. So did you teach yourself how to trade, or did you have any previous like education or background in trading, or did you solely train yourself how to trade?
No, I learned trading Forex in a school. Then after that, I just started learning by myself and improve my skills, knowledge, and techniques. Then I have a Forex trading schools here in Nigeria, because here in Nigeria, we don't have professional traders. So that's why I start Forex trading class month by month. So, you know, sometimes if you are a mentor, you can improve your knowledge as well as you can teach your student and everything, because each one of your students have a reasonable question that you are going to ask you. But if you don't know the questions or the answer that they're going to ask, you are not a mentor. So you have to be a good mentor. You have to be a standard mentor whenever the question you ask, so you have an answer that you can just give.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with you. And you seem very knowledgeable on trading and Forex. So that's great that you have been trading for so long and came so far already. So that's great news.
Yeah.
So you're doing the Funded Trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Okay. I see an advertisement of AudaCity Capital. Then I have interest for what you're doing, guys. So that's why I just joined you. Then my company here in Nigeria, I introduce AudaCity Trading Capital. So currently we have 3 accounts. Currently we are in AudaCity. Me as a data trader analyst of the company. Then CEO has one, and then Chief Operation Officer, he has 1 account. So accumulatively 3 accounts here we have in this company with AudaCity Capital.
Great. I'm glad that you've reached out as well with the people that you know to come to AudaCity Capital, so that's great. So how are you finding AudaCity Capital so far? Is everything working well for you? Do you have any feedback, or how is your performance?
Sorry, your voice has been cracking. The voice has been breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. I think the internet may be disconnecting.
Yeah, the network is very full.
Yeah. Okay.
Network is very bad.
You can hear me now, yeah?
Yeah. Now it's okay.
Perfect. So how's your experience been with AudaCity Capital so far? Do you have any feedback, or how's your performance been? Is there anything you like or dislike?
Yeah, I have things that I like in AudaCity, because even in the problem of a lot of Forex traders lose their trading account is by leveraging their account. Because if a trader is always so by leveraging his account, he will lose his trading capital. But in AudaCity Capital, you have big equity to trade the Forex market, but you don't have big, what did I call it? Big margins so that you can do whatever you want. You have a proper risk appetite in this market because 1:5 is very good. As a trader, if a trader, he know what he is doing, the 1:5 is very, very good because he will help a trader to cut his, to plan a trade, stick to his plan and do whatever he want because he don't have good, he has a good risk reward ratio. That's it.
Great. So I'm glad you're enjoying your experience so far. That's great to hear. So my last question is a question I ask to all of our traders that I do the interviews with. And it is just, what is the best advice you could give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? This may be something that maybe you would have liked to hear or have heard whenever you were starting that really changed the way you traded. So what would that advice be?
So my advice to new traders is, if you want to trade the Forex market, you have to be patient because this market needs a lot of patience because it's a long journey. So no hurry in this journey. So my first year in the Forex market, I was thinking if I learn this market, I will be billionaire in just a few years. But even now, I'm always searching research on how to improve my trading career. Because if a beginner trader can trade a Forex market, he will deposit his trading account with $100, $200, $300, but you don't have knowledge on how to trade the market, and he's eager to make money with that deposit. So he will definitely block his account. So if you blow your account, there is two things involved. Either you give up on trading or you just go and expand your knowledge, then you back to attach your balance and then deposit again. But my advice of a newbie trader is be patient. Be patient, patience. Because in this market, 90% of the Forex traders, we know they are losing their money. So there's only, let's say, 10%, 5% are making. So how do you be among these 5% are making? You have to do what a lot of traders cannot do. You have to control your emotions. You have to plan your trade and stick to your plan. If you have a plan, so you have to stick to your plan no matter what. But if you don't have a plan, you just trading just like a gambling. But if you have a plan, you will, if either you lose today, tomorrow you will make, because you have a standard plan. So if you have a standard plan, fine, you can make money today, you lose. If you have, let's say, 20 trading days, then you have 20 trades. Each day you are allowed to place one trade. You lose 8 trades in a month and you win 12. You are in profit. Then if you lose 12 trades and 8 profit, you are still in profit because your risk reward ratio, if you are using 1:1, 1:2, or 1:3, then you have 16% winning. Then you have 8% losing. That's it. So my advice to beginner trader is to create a plan, trading plan. Once you create a trading plan, stick to your plan. If you stick to your plan, you will be profitable. Otherwise,
yeah, I totally agree with you, and I think that is great advice as well for anyone. I think there is always a lot more than just the trading that goes on in the industry. There's plans, emotions, like you said, patience as well.
Exactly.
So definitely, I think that is great advice, and for anyone watching as well, who's just maybe getting into trading, I think that is good advice to follow.